Hi my foodie friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make an evening snack which is Hara Bhara Kabab. Kebabs are something we really enjoyed a lot. If we will have it one time, we want to have it again. So let's get started and see the recipe. First I'm going to cook the green peas. I've taken 1 cup of green peas and now I'm going to add some water in it. Boil it for some time, like 5 to 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, the green peas has boiled. Now turn off the flame and remove the green peas. Here I've taken the small strainer, so strain the green peas from the water and cool them. Next is I will blend some palak leaves or spinach leaves. So I've taken 100 grams of palak leaves. Put in the pan and pour some water in it. So let it boil it for some time, like 5 to 7 minutes until it cooked. After 7 minutes, the spinach has boiled. Now turn off the flame and remove the palak leaves. Here I have taken a big strainer, so strain the spinach leaves from the water and cool them. Now next step is take a mixer jar, add 4 green chilies in it, some pieces of ginger roughly chopped, now I'm going to add cooked peas in it, and few I have already put it aside. Now add coriander leaves. I have actually very few. As you know, it's not easily available these days. Now I've added boiled palak leaves or spinach leaves in it. Add salt, half teaspoon, and grind it. I'm adding some water in it to make this little smooth and pulse again for few times. But don't grind it too fine. Now the mixture is ready. Take a bowl and add boiled potatoes, 5. I've already boiled them with a little bit salt and water in the pressure cooker, and 3-4 whistles would be enough for that. Now mash the potatoes properly. Now I'm going to add a few spices into the mashed potatoes, starting with Garam Masala, half teaspoon, Amchur Powder, half teaspoon, Chaat Masala, half teaspoon, Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon, salt, half teaspoon to 1 teaspoon is fine. I mean, it's completely up to your taste, but I put actually half teaspoon. To this I'm going to add cooked leftover green peas. Now add the grind mixture. Now add the besan or gram flour, 2 tablespoons, as it will help in combine the batter and also give a nice flavor. give a good mix. Now I will add one more tablespoon of gram flour because I feel my batter needs it. The batter is ready. Now we are going to make the kebabs. So for the first, I'm going to make the all-purpose flour mixture. For this, here I have 4 tablespoons of maida. In this, I'm going to add little water at a time and make a thin batter. Now the liquid mixture is ready. Now my breadcrumbs are also ready. I've taken 1 cup or 4 to 5 bread pieces, blend it in the mixture. Now it's time to make the kebabs. Take a little bit of kebab filling and make small patty. And dip in the all-purpose flour liquid mixture. And roll them into the breadcrumbs. So we have to, from all the sides we have to cover it, roll it. Now put it aside. So I'm going to repeat the same process again to make all the kebabs. Guys, if you like my video, please subscribe, like the video, hit the bell icon button for more video updates. Now all kebabs are made. I have made 17 kebabs from this batter. A very important instruction is make sure you give 20 to 30 minutes rest time to the kebab before frying. It will help in frying whatever the cutlets you are making. So here I have the preheated oil hot and ready. I'm going to gently drop them in and deep fry them in medium flame. You can also do the shallow fry the kebabs. It will take up to 3 to 4 minutes to have a nice golden color. Make sure you flip them over to the other side as well to cook. See, I'm flipping this now. Here you can see the kebabs are looking great, isn't it? Perfect golden color and shape as well. So now I'm going to take them out and place them aside. So one by one. See, looking great. Enjoy this Hara Bhara Kabab. It looks very crunchy and crispy. You can have this with tomato sauce, mint chutney, tamarind sweet chutney, mayonnaise. It's up to you. So enjoy and happy eating. They are ready. So friends, if you like my recipe, please give me a thumbs up, share with your friends and families, and please do subscribe to my channel. It's me, Nancy Verma. Bye bye and see you next time.